Have you ever heard a sound that no one can explain? A sound so mysterious. It's been puzzling scientists and adventurers alike for decades? Stick around, because today we're diving into the fascinating enigma of the cosmic hum, a sound heard all around the world, yet its origin remains unknown. Picture this: you're sitting in a quiet room, maybe late at night, when suddenly you hear a low, droning hum. It's not loud, but it's persistent, almost like the sound of a distant engine. But here's the twist: there's nothing there. No machines, no cars, no planes. Just an invisible, omnipresent sound. This isn't just a one-off experience. Reports of this hum have come in from every corner of the globe, from Bristol in England to Taos, New Mexico, and even deep in the Australian outback. It's been dubbed the hum, and scientists are stumped. So, what's causing it? Well, there are plenty of theories. Some say it's low-frequency sound waves from industrial activity, like gas pipelines or wireless communication. Others suggest it could be natural phenomena, think volcanic activity, shifting tectonic plates, or even the Earth's magnetic field. Subscribe